Hi and welcome to a new video. Has your iPhone suddenly failed to reboot, leaving you with a black screen and spinning wheel? This usually occurs if your iPhone has a failed software update, is out of storage, or has hardware-related issues. In this video, I will show you a few methods for resolving this problem on your iPhone. Let's go. When you encounter this problem, try force restarting your iPhone first. This approach is very simple, but it frequently fixes any minor software glitches on your iPhone. For iPhone 8 or newer models, quickly press and release the volume up and volume down buttons respectively. Then press and hold the side button and release it when the Apple logo appears. If you're using an older iPhone model, you can refer at the tag in the top right corner or find the link to the Apple support page in the description below to know how to force restart your device properly. If your iPhone does not reboot even after force restarting it, the next possible solution is to update or restore your device using iTunes or Finder, whichever is applicable. For Windows PC, you need to use iTunes. If you haven't installed it yet, you can download iTunes for free online. If you have a Mac, instead, simply use the Finder app. First, connect your iPhone using an original or an MFI certified cable to establish connection to your computer successfully. Then launch iTunes or Finder. Next, put your iPhone to recovery mode. To do this, simply perform the same steps when force restarting your device. Only this time, keep holding the side button until the recovery mode screen appears. As I have mentioned earlier, you can decide to either just update your device or restore it completely. Since restoring your iPhone leads to data loss, you can try updating your iPhone first. Perhaps the problem is simply due to outdated functions, in which case updating your iPhone to the latest software should be able to resolve the issue. If updating your iPhone doesn't work, then you may have to resort to restoring it completely. Keep in mind that this will erase all data on your iPhone. But if you have a previous backup stored, then this should not be a problem. However, if you don't have a backup of your iPhone but still need your data, I recommend using Tenershare's iOS repair software before erasing everything. With Reboot, there is a greater probability that your iPhone will resume regular operation without losing any data. This method is quite practical because it will also immediately update your iPhone to the most recent iOS version in addition to fixing any software glitches. Aside from that, it also works both on Mac and Windows PC. If you want to try and test it out, you can download the software by clicking on the tag at the top right corner or find the link in the description below. Upon installation, launch Reboot on your computer and click the Start button. Next, click on Standard Repair. The program will then automatically provide the latest firmware that is compatible with your device. After that, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the repair process. When the repair is finished, your iPhone will automatically reboot and the problem should now be resolved. Unfortunately, if none of the solutions worked, the most likely cause could be hardware-related. Perhaps you dropped your iPhone quite hard or experienced other scenarios that you suspected caused damage to your device. In that case, the only solution is to visit or contact Apple support for assistance with this issue. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.